Okay, now the second thing I want to do is, now I'm accustomed with the email setup, I now want to set up two-factor authentication because I'm very security conscious. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into the webmail. I'm going to go to my profile and my account. And I've got a few options in here, and I've got multi-factor authentication. Now, there's quite a few ways you can do this. I would recommend the Zoho OneAuth app. I use it for multiple email accounts that I use, and it's really good. It's so convenient. So what we're going to do is use that. So I'm going to go set up now, and it's asking me to go to the login for that. Go to the App Store for it. So I'm going to go back onto my phone. I could scan that code. I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to type in Zoho OneAuth. Now, do make sure you've got the right one here. It will have the same icon, which you can see on the top. I'm just going to install that one. Okay, that's done. And I'm going to click open. Now, the OneAuth app is really cool because it will store my username and password and the multi-factor authentication, which means I don't have to remember all of my passwords, which is really nice. So let's follow the instructions. So it says sign in to OneAuth using your Zoho account. So I'm going to click on sign in. And again, I'm going to type in my email address and enter my password. And click sign in. Okay, and then I'm going to click go passwordless. I'm just going to authorize that on my phone. It's asking me to do my fingerprint. And then I'm just going to click enable MFA. Do I want to allow the phone to set the OneAuth app to send me notifications? Yes, I do. So it recommends to set up a recovery setup. That is worth doing. So let's go through that process now. And it's asking me to enter a passphrase. This is a bit like a password, I suppose, but don't use the same password. This is just something going to be memorable for you. So I'm going to type something in now. Now I'm going to physically jot that down somewhere, or I'm going to put it into a password manager, and that means I've got that backed up. So I'm going to go set that passphrase. Okay, and there we go. So let's log out of webmail here. So I'm now logged out, and a new day has arrived, and I want to sign into my email account again. Now, I'm not going to start typing my email address here. I'm going to say try the smart sign in. I'm just going to click that button. And what it does is it comes up with a QR code. Now, if you look over on my phone, I'm going to click the scan QR code. And I'm just going to hover over where that QR code is. I'm going to press my fingerprint on my phone to validate that I'm me. You might get something different. You might have to put in a pattern lock or a password, or it might be face unlock. But there we go. And we won't do this at this section, at this stage, but we should do this at some point. Continue to sign in. And I'm logged in. I didn't type my email address. I didn't type my password in. I just used my phone to log in. Now, if you're managing multiple Parish accounts, then this is gold dust because it gives you the ability to log in without managing lots and lots of different passwords. Okay, let me just log out again. I'm just going to go through that process one more time. So from the very beginning, I've got the OneAuth app here that I'm going to load up. I'm going to click on scan a QR code, and you'll notice it does it quite quickly. You can put it as close or as far away as you like, and eventually it works it out. And then the phone goes, yep, good, it's gone all green, and you're logged into the webmail.